multi-tiered, multi-layered ball dress. I'm working with length 15, so I want it to be 3 equal layers, so I'll divide this 15 into by 3 to give me 5. So that means first layer will be 5, second layer will be 10 inches, 5 inches, third layer will be this 15. So what I want to do is that I want to add this crinoline to it, so I'll add 2 inches allowance, so 1 inch for sewing allowance, second 1 inch for crinoline. So to get the length that I will cut for each of them, I just add 2 to each of them. So yeah, I've cut out the net already. So this is the first layer, which is 15 inches, 17 inches. So this 17 inches, I don't know if I can see it. 17 inches. The second, 12 inches, and the third, 7 inches. So aside these 3 layers, because I do want the net to be transparent, I'm going to add other layers. I think I added 5 more layers. I'm using 15 inches for the extra 5 layers. So what I'll do next is that I'll go ahead to join these nets as one piece. I'll show you how to do that.